Here's how to back up your iPhone to your Mac. What you'll need is you'll need the iPhone, you'll need a connector cable which plugs into your Mac, and also you should open up the Finder program on your Mac because you'll need that too. So plug in the iPhone to the connector cable which is connected to the Mac. You may be prompted to trust this computer or trust this device, so follow those instructions. You may have to enter your passcode as well. I'm going to do that now. Okay. Next thing to do, find the iPhone on the Finder application. Should be at the very bottom. And you can see it has my details of my phone. And then actually, it's prompting me right away, waiting for sync to start. So press the sync button. Now, this may take a while if you haven't synced your phone in a long time, and I'm being prompted again to enter the passcode. But then you can see it says in the lower left corner, step 2 of 5, backing up. And so this should take a couple minutes to finish up. By the way, if you're looking for instructions on how to do this, if you go to the Apple website, search for backup iPhone, and there'll be instructions on how to use the different services, including iCloud, syncing to a Mac, and also backing up to a Windows PC.